its back wing, really beautiful. They are mating together. You can see it. Wow, so beautiful and sweet love. Oh my god. Wow, peacock pansy butterfly. Monarch butterfly was attracted by the butterfly in the box. Oh, this one attracted by butterfly in the box as well. I will catch by hand. Oh my god, I catch it. Oh, wow, look at it. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Beautiful plant tiger butterflies. In the box, there are so many butterflies right now. And I really afraid it's stressed in the box.
Okay, let's go.
Cho anh ta lại kìa. Đai lượt lấy I can't call it is the monarch butterfly. Slow, okay. Okay, got it. Oh, got it. Got it. Oh, the monarch or common tiger butterfly. And wow, beautiful. Wow, beautiful. Common tiger butterfly. Before I always call it the monarch butterfly, but after research, the monarch butterfly only at North Africa. So in Southeast Asia we call common tiger. Let's put it to the box. Okay. When I tell it, yes, another common tiger butterfly. Oh, it's fly around. Yeah. Oh, common Gull. Okay, got it. Got it. Wow, the net is so short. It can make the fly escape. Okay, got it. Wow, look at it. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, this is a back wing. Also beautiful. Wow. Okay, let's put it to the box. Okay, got it. Good boy. Now he catch the common tiger butterfly. Okay. I always call it the monarch butterfly. Oh, wow, it's so beautiful. Look at it. And it's so beautiful, the common tiger butterfly. Into the box. Open the box. Okay, close it. Okay, boy, I let my nephew catch the monarch butterfly. Slow. Okay, got it. Okay, good boy. Wow. Oh, it's not monarch butterfly. It's a plant tiger. It is plant tiger butterfly. Look at it. Wow. It's so beautiful. The plant tiger. Wow. Beautiful. Plant tiger butterflies. Oh my god. Okay, let's put to the box. Oh. Woo. Calm down, calm down. No, no, no. No, no. Tạm lớn không đó. Nó bông tôm đau mũi mũi. Cơ nhất. Cơ nhất. Nè, 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 cây bông tôm nào đang chơi không? Nó chắc, chắc, chắc. À, bạn. Ok. Một cọ múa mà tốt thông. Mũi mũi. Đấy. Okay. Got it. Okay, good job. The monarch butterfly or common tiger. In South Asia, we call common tiger. Okay. Wow, it's so beautiful. The common tiger or the monarch butterfly. Wow, its wing really beautiful. Okay, let's put it to the box. Got it? Oh, okay, got it. Good job. Come here. I will catch. Oh, it is the plant tiger. The plant tiger butterfly. Yes, here it is. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, let's put to the box. Okay, good. Oh, they try to catch the yellow butterfly. Got it? Oh, escape. Yeah. Try again. Oh, it fly. But lost the track. Okay. Remove it. Oh, yeah? Can you see it? No. Okay. Oh, okay. Good job. Come here. Money. Wow, the plant tiger butterflies. Wow, good boy. You good at catching butterfly right now. Oh my god. Okay, let's put to the box. Yeah. Oh no. Ngược con hà. Ô đây là quả lưỡng này, quả lưỡng vẽ này. They are mating. Grass yellow butterfly are mating each other. Cơ nhá. Này. Come on. Tóm mấy nữa. Đã khổng. Mà pú. Okay, got it. Bóp nó lên một tô. Wow. The grass yellow, they are mating together. Yes, two grass yellow. Oh my god. Wow. It's amazing. I can catch. Okay. This is the yellow butterfly. And they are mating. Oh. It fly. And let me show you, but I'm not put it to the box because I afraid they hurt because they are mating together. You can see it. Wow, so beautiful and sweet love. Oh my god. Cut this. Come on. Oh, it escaped. You wrong catch. Calm down, calm down. Slowly, slowly. Wow, the Monarch Butterfly. It's big. Wow! Okay, got it. Oh. Wow, this one is very beautiful. Wow, common Mormon swallowtail, type swallowtail. Oh man! Wow. The dog. I will catch the yellow butterfly. Okay, the beautiful yellow butterfly. Okay, I got it. Wow. Oh, okay, don't escape. Okay, got it. Wow. It's so beautiful. Crystal. No. Grass yellow. Oh wow. Its back wing. Really beautiful. Okay. Wait. Oh. The Monarch Butterfly. Oh, fly around. Tôi chạm rồi. Okay, got it. One. I catch it. Okay, one Monarch Butterfly. Oh man, it's big. This one is big. Yeah, wow, it's big Monarch Butterfly. Yeah, wow, so beautiful. It's so beautiful, Monarch Butterfly. Okay, put to the box. Oh man. Okay. Oh, I see one Monarch Butterfly was attracted by the butterfly in the box. Okay, I will try to catch it. Wow. Oh, good. Okay, got it. Oh man, this place so many Monarch Butterfly. Yeah. Here is the one that attracted by the box. Yeah. Okay, let's check it wing. Okay, let's put to the box. Oh, this one attracted by butterfly in the box as well. I will catch by hand. Oh my god, I catch it. Oh, wow, amazing. So I will put both to the box. Oh, escape one. Bye. Okay, good. Okay. Wow, my nephew catch the peacock pansy butterfly. Wow. Oh, what a good boy. He can catch it. Butterfly. Oh man. It's not easy to catch it. Oh, amazing. Eye sign. Wow, peacock pansy butterfly. Okay, let's put to the box. Wow, so many Monarch butterfly here. Okay. Yes, beautiful. Yes. I will put this grass to the box because of like butterfly like it. Love it. And I will put it to the box. Oh man. Yeah. Oh my. Oh. Got two? Really? Wow. Oh, good boys. Wow, good boy. Got two. Oh, that's one maybe the moth. And this one is plant tiger. I will touch the plant tiger first. Okay. Here is plant tiger. Let's put to the box first. Wow, the peacock pansy try to escape. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. You got it. Yeah. Wow. Escape. Okay, now I will release that butterflies because in the box there are so many butterflies right now, and I really afraid it's stressed in the box, so I will release it. And full of the Monarch butterfly. Yes, I will release it. Okay, let's go. Wow. Yes. Oh, don't want to go? Oh, wow. Oh. Maybe it didn't want to go. Okay, goodbye. Yeah, the last one.